Hey folks, Damien here with Bestcare to introduce you to the complete family of Bestcare lifts. What I have behind me are 3 lifts and 4 slings. And what you're going to see from this video is with those 3 lifts and 4 slings, we're going to be able to handle the majority of all of the transfer needs of most patients and caregivers. Now, as we know, as we start to age, things start to change, we start to need assistance. What I like to say is you go from an independent person to being a totally dependent person in somewhat of a process. So what we're going to see with these lifts is we can intervene with these devices and help those patients to make sure they're transferred safely and mobilized with these 3 lifts and 4 slings. So the first thing we're going to show you is a patient who needs assistance getting into a standing position. So this patient just got to the point where they can't stand without a risk of fall. So we're going to bring our patient in here, and we're going to pull up with the first product, and that's the Best Move. So with the Best Move, we approach our patient in the wheelchair, get the patient's feet on the platform, lock the wheels. Patient puts their hands on the support handle, pulls themselves up into a standing position, flip the pads down, and now we've got our patient supported, and we can take the patient from one spot to another. But what we find is over time, that patient's not able to pull themselves up into the standing position anymore. So, with our support vest, as we've shown in our previous video, we can put it behind our patient and actually assist the patient into the standing position to make this product even more functional for that patient as they start losing their ability to stand up. What's really important about this first intervention is that during the process of transferring the patient is actually standing naturally. So with that natural standing motion, we continue to use the lower body the proper way, and it keeps the person from becoming more dependent. But over time, of course, the person will start to lose their ability to stand naturally, and then we need to go with step 2, which is the Best Stand. So let's put our patient back down here and show you stage 2 with the Best Stand. So now our patient can't stand naturally any longer. They need assistance going from a sitting to a standing position. So as we know, with our Best Stand, we have a support vest that's going to go behind the patient's back. Up a little bit. Around their waist and buckle. And now we're into a full battery-powered transfer device. We approach the patient, patient's feet on the platform, knee brace against the knees, and we connect the sling to the hooks. Patient holds on, and we raise this patient into the standing position. But what's really important to see here is now the patient's not standing naturally anymore. We're actually pulling them up into the standing position because they're at the point now where they need that assistance. So you can see they're leaning into the vest, it's pulling them up into the standing position. So we're on to our second device and our second sling. But let's say the patient starts to slide down and starts to lose their ability to hold themselves up into the standing position. That's where our first sling can come back into play. We can wrap it around their bottom, hook it to the set of front hooks as you've seen in previous videos. We can support the lower body completely. So we can use our second sling to help with this second device. So one last thing we can do with our Best Move is as the patient starts losing their ability to stand up, they may get to the point where they can't hold themselves up at all any longer, and they need complete assistance to be transferred from one spot to the other. So what we're going to show you now is how we can use a toileting sling to lift this patient up with the same device and still take the person to the toilet, which is a critical part of why this device is needed and why the first device is needed. When we get a person standing, we have access to the lower body, we can raise and lower their pants and get them to the toilet. So let's go ahead and convert this so we can use the toileting sling. Very simple process. We just lift off the foot plate and knee brace in one motion. Use our toileting sling go behind the patient's back, between the legs, and hook up to the front 2 hooks. Now we can lift the patient up completely off the ground and support them with a toileting sling, as you've seen in one of our previous videos. So now we're at 2 lifts and 3 separate slings, and we were able to accomplish a lot with those products. So let's say now we're at the point where this patient can bear no weight at all, that needs a complete assistance from transferring from one spot to the other. So now we're on to the last category of product, which is the full body lifter. And you can see we have the mobiles or the overheads, but the concept is the same. The person needs to be completely supported to be transferred from one spot to the other. So all we really need is this one sling to accomplish the majority of what we need with that patient. As you've seen from previous videos, tucks behind the back, between the legs, crisscrosses for the standard transfer, or behind the back and can cradle the person by going one strap under the other if they're contracted or a single or double amputee. So, as you can see from this demonstration, with the Bestcare family of products, 3 lifts, 4 slings, you can cover the majority of your needs for transferring those patients.